Okay, we will solve this one. Convert 4 gallons to liters. Gagawin nating liters itong 4 gallons. Okay, so take note, yung conversion ng gallons to liters ay 1 gallon, that is equal to 3.785 liters. Okay, so kopyahin muna natin yung 4 gallons. Okay, then i-multiply natin sa, dapat yung denominator natin ay the same units ating original na measurement. So, therefore, dito sa denominator ay 1 gallon. Okay? Then, dito sa numerator ay 3.785 liters. Then, i-cancel natin yung gallon. So, naiwan, ito na lang 4 at saka 3.785 liters. So, multiply natin yan. 4 times 3.785 liters, that is equal to 15.14 liters. So, sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.